Let's talk triple digits, shall we? Because I'm forecasting triple digits tomorrow. So far this year, we have only had 19. Year to date last year, we had 30. We had 72 in 2023, 68 in 2022. This year is the least to date since only 6 back in 2021. Well, here's what you can plan on tomorrow. If you're in Fredericksburg or Mason, you might not quite make triple digits, but I'm forecasting 100 in Llano, 101 Round Mountain, 103 Austin, 104 San Marcos and Lockhart, 103 in Bastrop. It'll be a dry heat though, low humidity, so at least we won't have heat advisories or records for that matter. The record of 110 is going to be safe. It's 82 right now, and speaking of low humidity, it feels dreamy out there. Tomorrow at the bus stop, how about 60s for most outlying areas? Next up, we are tracking Hurricane Lorena. This system is one that will likely weaken once it pushes inland. Not all computer models are on board with exactly where the heaviest rain can fall, but most of them are saying that tropical moisture could bring us rain chances on Sunday, enough so that there's some concern about some flooding. A level 1 risk for most of our area, a level 2 of 4 threat for scattered flood potential for the Northwest Hill Country points north. We'll talk more about that in a moment. First, though, tomorrow, 66 for low in Burnett as well as Bastrop, 65 in Elgin, 69 in San Marcos. It's going to be a beauty. Get your walk in early. And then the heat is on, 100 by 2 o'clock, 103 by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Then on Friday, 100, still a triple digit temperature. Saturday Longhorns game, 97 for high, 80s at kickoff, and the rain chances hold off until after the game. In the Atlantic, an 80% development chance of what could become Gabrielle, which will not affect us, but we're really keying in on Hurricane Lorena. At this point, it is forecast to make its way by Friday right here across the Baja California and then push inland, weakening to a remnant low. Those remnants, that tropical moisture, will be pulling into Mexico across the desert Southwest into West Texas, and that's where things start to diverge. Earlier, there was a big slug of moisture from this particular computer model right over central Texas. Now it's more close toward the Rio Grande, so that's why there's still a lot of uncertainty. What I can say is Sunday does look like the most likely day for us to see rain, potentially an inch or so. Also, Sunday looks like a much cooler day behind a cold front. How about highs only in the 80s Sunday and again Monday? That said, no, it will not be fall for real because we pump temperatures right back up by midweek next week.